This is pretty straightforward so far, and this is going to be terrible filming, but both of these screws come out, and this then hides a piece that rotates 45. There you go. This goes into the trash, and this will get a thorough cleaning before we install. Nice new perfection. It'll be dramatic. The difference between the old and the new. I'll clean all that up before I replace it, and I'll shoot another video real quick. Don't have a tripod, don't have an assistant, and my dog isn't much help without opposable thumbs. But that's the before on the left side. Right side's identical.